So you're like, oh shit. And you start curling. And then when it comes to putting it together, you could just like get brain freeze. And what I want you to really pay attention to when the guest brings in a photo is it's a shape. Okay, so you want to kind of look at the shape and the where is the bulk. Most of this bulk is up high, so it's not that chignon. It's a higher, and then we have these areas where there's a lot of bulk right here. Okay, so yellow would be these pieces here. All right, you can see that's the yellow. The pink is section 2 and 3. So there's a section on the front side and a section on the other side. And you can see where section 2, I have it in the pink. So it's kind of underneath the yellow, which is section 1. Section 4 is the crown. That's the blue. So section 4 is the blue crown. And section 5 is the red. But I'm going to take this one apart so you can see how I used her own hair for self-padding, because this mannequin head has a lot of hair. All right, so here we go. So let's start with, since we did 2 and 3 last, let's just start bringing out 2 and 3. Okay. This is self-padding. She has thicker hair. I'm now into section 5. Okay, so section 5 is the bottom. Section 5 is red. Let's go to the other side and get out. And she has like a middle part. So section 1, when it's a middle part, sometimes is morphed into 2 and 3. But the idea of sectioning is just always to, you know in your head where you are. Oh, I'm in section 2. Oh, what am I going to do with section 1? Well, section 4 is the crown. I need to make sure I have enough hair. All right, so now what I did back here in section 5, which is the bottom, I ended up doing braids. So section 5 got 3 braids. 1, 2, 3. So section 5 got 3 braids. And they got padded and pinched and pulled and brought up into the self padding. So section 4 is your crown. Little pony. A little bit of section 4 that got twisted and pulled back. Another part of section 4 got put into a knot because I have so much hair. Putting in hair knots uses up hair. I didn't, if I kept dipping, it would just be too much hair. So put it into a knot, which used up hair. All right, so this is all section 4. This is blue. This is in the crown. What I did was 2 pieces of self-padding to get the 2 bulk areas. And for this one, I put it in a ponytail first. And that just gives a nice little secure spot to pin everything. So, wrapped it up, teased it up, wrapped it down, self-padding. 4, 2 and 3, 5 in braids. I love to interact with you. Thanks for hanging out.